The surfing series, seven surfing series for the content from AI and NotebookLM. Surfing series is from seven chapter contents about the preparation, getting ready for information, knowledge, and about the ocean environment and climate, weather, all the set about the gears for the surfing and for surfers, the wetsuit, all the things, the facilities. This is number one for as a surfer who want to start and prepare joining the sub academy. That is the first one. And the second is about paddling out, paddle out to the lineup, the paddle out to the lineup. And three is at the lineup, the surfing rules, and then portion of the big wave sets and lineup skills. And then fourth is catch and pop up and riding and catch and pop up strategy and indoor practice to do that. And then fifth is riding, riding as a front side and back side, and riding, side riding as a beginners, the riding for the shoreline and the levels. And then six is what out, then means pull down properly and then safely and recovery paddling out again or going down. And then seventh, the techniques and then paddling out again, logging or skills, surfing skills, and the level up. Here I make seventh surfing series to make content from AI and NotebookLM. Let's again about the seventh content. The first, get ready for surfing, including gears and knowing about the climate, environment of the marine and the ocean and the temperature, the wind directions, tide, all things. The second is how to paddle out to line up. Third, at the lineup, the rules, and then checking out the changing direction properly. And fourth is catching pop-up and riding. And fifth, riding properly and with the side riding or with the skills. And sixth, falling down, like out. And seventh, and then the skills, improvement of surfing skill, carving, top turn, and bottom turn, or logging as well. These seventh, the chapter will be seven contents each for the contents AI and NotebookLM. Now I can get the contents here. With AI. Make content of about all about the surfing from 1 to 7. The process for 7 after proof reading it. The randomly, even the contents not perfect about these, but I can make it wider. Make contention added with this. Okay, let me see. All the information from AI. Okay. 1 to 7 complete process series. And then I can get adding these contents. First, I'll make the one gallery for surfing foundation and preparation. Before touching the water, surfing begins with knowledge and preparation. Ocean knowledge, understanding tide, high, low tide, wind direction, onshore, offshore, offshore, wave types, wind shell, and ground walls that waves, and rip current and safe zone, local marine environment awareness. Weather and condition, swell size and period, and wind speed and direction, water temperature, seasonal changes. The app will be helpful for this reference. Equipment and surfboard and longboard, surfboard, funboard, or funboard for the first time. Leash wax, wetsuit, depending on temperature, rash guard, and sunscreen, surf facility, academy lockers, shower, a new surfer, surf academy entry level, ocean safety briefing, beach warm-up routine, both handling basics, active introduction. This stage builds confidence and awareness. About the first, and then I talk about it more later.